Hey there, Chumas. Chumas out here playing some more Far Cry 4. Let's see what this lady wants.
As soon as I'm better, I'll plan another attack. Make him
Okay.
pay.
Eye for an eye.
What's happened? Can I help?
Send him into the hells. He came with the Royal Army, tried to get us to join. And when we wouldn't, they killed everyone. Except me.
That's horrible.
He's taken over our house. I'll show you on the map. I've
Okay,
already
then.
tried to take it back, but it didn't go well. Too many soldiers. He just laughed and said my suffering was a pleasure.
Let's go. Oh, wrong button. Oh.
Rabirana here, you guys, and you won't believe what I saw the other day. One of our guys rode an elephant into battle and wrecked some Royal
That was
Army
me.
soldiers. Okay, forget about tanks, man. Did you hear the words coming out of my mouth? I said a fucking elephant. That thing was picking up Royal Army soldiers and then tossing them around like rag dolls. Man, it was sweet. I'm sorry, I'm just losing my shit over.
And there's one. There's one.
We can't send you help.
Try to do this sneaky.
God. Check it. What is it? Trap. Got it! I know you're out here somewhere. Keep looking. I see. I see movement. Moving out. Hurry up. Kill you.
This is no use in being sneaky. Search him. I'd take a picture. There you go. Oh, no loot in here. I keep pressing that. Oh, let's go to that Golden Path mission.
Shoot the motor!
For fuck's sake.
Bayo Urbano, you are listening to Radio Free Kirat. Rabbi Rana here. It is no secret that Kirat isn't on good financial.
That was weird.
Rabbi Rana here, you guys, and you won't believe what I saw the other day. One of our guys rode an elephant into battle and wrecked some Royal Army soldiers. Okay, forget about tanks, man. Did you hear the words coming out of my mouth? I said a fucking elephant. That thing was picking up Royal Army soldiers and then tossing them around like rag dolls. Man, it was sweet. I'm sorry, I'm just losing my shit over here in this truck by myself, but it was the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. All that was missing was a power cord from a guitar and a double. No, scratch that, a triple rainbow in the background with a unicorn flying over it, because that's how rare it was.
Okay, I guess I'm supposed to go in here. Hello.
Amita,
Ajay, Longinus said this was from you. Thank you.
Thanks, brother. He also said the opium at the old tea factory was ready to ship. We need to wipe that poison out.
Wipe it out? Are you joking? We need to secure that shipment and those fields.
Amita, we talked about this. Turning Kirat into a drug state is not the answer.
Sabal, we have no natural resources.
What about all
What
those
happens when we're free?
tea
The
leaves I
mines
keep
have been
finding?
stripped, the fields have been ruined for years. So we liberate our people, then what?
It's not our way. It never was. You do this, you're no better than pagan. It's morally bankrupt.
Better than being literally bankrupt.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the opium out. Sure.
I think you're right about this.
I know this isn't the way things should be, but Kirat can't survive if Sabal keeps clinging to the past. Get to the old tea factory. Secure
Okay.
those fields.
What I don't get is that why don't they just get all those leaves that I keep finding? They're like extremely good for medicinal reasons. And how the fuck do I get out of here? Okay. Oh. There we go.
Ruby Verana here with Radio Free Kirat. Now, you know what pisses me off, you guys? I'm really mad. I'm sorry. Usually I'm in a good mood, but this is what pisses me off. The media, and not me. I'm the good media. I'm talking about the Western media. Here we are in Kirat, a full-blown civil war is going down, and we don't even have one mention of our war. Come on, man. Give us a pop-up ad, for God's sake. Not a single person out there gives a damn about our struggle. Meanwhile, I open up an internet browser, dick pill ads everywhere. Is that where our
Okay, I went the wrong
priorities
way.
are? We're trying to make our chubbies even bigger. Every time I watch the Western media, I see some snot-nosed pop star grinding on a dude, and that's everywhere. Every blog can't help but cover this girl twerking on some dude. What the fuck is...
Okay then. Hey, so they went a different way.
Ruby Arana here, you guys, and you won't believe what I saw the other day. One of our guys rode an elephant into battle and wrecked some Royal Army soldiers. Okay, forget about tanks, man. Did you hear the words coming out of my mouth? I said a fucking elephant. That thing was picking up Royal Army soldiers and then tossing them around like rag dolls. Man, it was sweet. I'm sorry, I'm just losing my shit over here in this truck by myself, but it was the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. All that was missing was a power chord from a guitar and a double. No, scratch that, a triple rainbow in the background with a unicorn jumping over it, because that's how rare it was. Ruby Arana here, you guys, and you won't believe what I saw the other day. One of our guys rode an elephant into battle and wrecked some Royal Army soldiers. Okay, forget about tanks, man. Did you hear the words coming out of my mouth? I said a fucking elephant. That thing was picking up Royal Army soldiers and then tossing them around like rag dolls. Man, it was sweet. I'm sorry, I'm just losing my shit over here in this truck by myself, but it was the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. All that was missing was a power chord from a guitar and a double. No, scratch that, a triple rainbow in the background with a unicorn jumping over it, because that's how rare it was.
I reached the tea factory.
Great, Ajay. Those drug fields are Kirat's future. We need them, and I need your help to secure them. Clear out the army, and make sure nothing happens to the puppies. And be careful. I still need your help in this fight.
That's a lot of drugs. The trucks carrying opium run day and night. It's a miracle more of them don't break down.
What's this? The thing is about a new sprinkler system. Good news, I've been managed to get a sprinkler system working. Whenever there is a fire in the field, turn on the generators and sprinkle and turn on. Bad news, I had to use the generators for TV to set the outside of the room. Approved requirements. New system. Finally, I got test. Okay, I know you're supposed to set up the gasoline to the sprinkler system. Guess hold X to interact.
I hope Kingmin appreciates what we do here. It's hard work loading trucks day and night. They're always arriving to take the opium to the refineries in the north.
I didn't even see this guy over here. I'm down here. Keep that guy oblivious to everything.
Hey, keep him away from the factory. You are going to die here.
Yeah, I am gonna die here. Son of a fuck. That was going so well. I have to walk so goddamn slow. Somehow I can do that. I can stab somebody from up 1 mile away from upstairs. But no, I can't do that when I'm fucking 5 feet. When I'm fucking 1 foot away. Fucking bullshit.
I reached the tea factory.
Great, Ajay. Those drug fields are Kirat's future. We need them, and I need your help to secure them. Clear out the army, and make sure nothing happens to the puppies. And be careful. I still need your help in this fight.
Okay then, come on baby, let's do it the second time. Second time's a charm.
Like, Kirati, I just got it.
Seriously, just got karate.
The trucks carrying opium run day and night. It's a miracle more of them don't break down. What? Hey, keep them away from the factory. Watch my back. Down.
Oh, come on, you gotta be shitting me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Goddamn dog. Can't call for reinforcements, I disabled it.
Amita, it's done.
Excellent, Ajay. Excellent. Thank you. But I know Paul. He won't back off from the drug fields. I am sending men to help, so hold on until they get there. We're heading your way now.
Booting on corpses. Da, 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 da.
Soldiers to the south.
Ah. The army's burning.
Use the sprinklers to stop the fires.
Up there! I do not see him!
Soldiers to the east.
I can't put out the fire!
Put those fires out or we're dead! Disable those sprinklers! Get the water off! I didn't get it off! Moving out! Disable those sprinklers! Go, go, go! You're a waste of skin! Get the water off! God me! Ah! You're weak!
I'm weak. You're the one who's dying over here. Okay, that guy's on fire. He's gonna die.
I am going to burn you alive!
Let's see, what skills do I got? Okay, I got 2 skill points. Yeah, that's 3. 4. There we go. There we go. Where's that? Okay. Man, there's much cover around here. Stop fucking shooting at me. We lost that opium field. Came at me like a fucking mammoth. These guys can't do shit. Look, there's an enemy behind me. What do? You run away from it. Yeah, take that, bitch. I gotta kill all the people that are trying to move over here. There we go. Finally.
You just handed Amita a license to spit on our heritage. Kirat isn't just about people. It's the earth and the rocks. When you poison our lands, you poison everything your father fought for.
Okay. Well, I'm going to just loot all of these people. Okay, hope you guys like that. See you next time. Goodbye.